Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's episode we are on our way to Milan and I am joined with the one, the only man like Saad.
Yo, what you saying?
Not bad, not bad.
How you doing?
So, flight's delayed, don't know why, and very sleepy, very tired. Why are we being held up?
I think another passenger is late. Probably got lost on the way. Yeah.
And we have arrived in Milan. We've currently gone for a walk. It's about 1:40 a.m. We're at the airport. The car rental place is closed. Hotel's about an hour and a half away. And we're now trying to figure out if we can haggle a taxi driver to take us there.
We spent more time on the ground than in the air during our flight.
So we've now made it to a taxi. We did the tourist thing of not getting an Uber. Saad is exhausted, as you can see, and Dude needs to sleep. Context, our flight was delayed for like 2 hours. And now, the moment of truth. Bro.
Put your key here to open, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Now turn the handle.
But it doesn't turn. Oh.
Yes. Modest. It's
Alright. Yeah, I mean...
It's alright. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but it'll do the job for 2 nights, 3 nights. Yeah, do you know what? It's not too bad. Actually pretty chill. But apparently this place is like 30 minutes from the town centre. I think the guy said it's like €2.20 for a tram. So if you're coming to Milan, Cosmo Hotel, more from tomorrow. And bam! And we are now in Milan, in Duomo Milano. And this is the first thing we are greeted with. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Wow. Guys, weather is actually banging right now. Check it out. Probably check it out later. Queue up.
People walking on the roof.
Where? Yo, we got a...
Have you done that?
No, I haven't. That might be a...
We could do that.
That might be one to do, yeah. So I'm currently getting a photo shoot with man like Saad, who's basically filming me getting the candid in with this backdrop. It's actually insane. We are looking for a coffee shop that Saad has pointed out for us. But yeah, hopefully it's nice. Has like a 4.5 star rating from like 100 reviews.
You need that caffeine here.
Need that caffeine here.
It's because you got the...
Dude, what are you telling me, man? What are you telling me? Saad, what do you think of the coffee?
It's okay.
It's okay, yeah? It's all good, yeah? Yeah, I can't lie, this is actually a decent flat white vibes.
I deliberately...
Waiting for the breakfast. We got scrambled eggs and salmon is on its way. This guy is just eating the sugar. Look at that, man. Bro, it's getting to a point, right? These trips are getting a bit too romantic, man. This is what's going on here, man. What's going on here, man? It's we can't keep doing this no more, you know. So that was nice. Breakfast was 10-10. Coffee was on point. And now we are gonna check out the Cathedral. Already craving a second coffee.
That breakfast was good.
Breakfast was decent, man. It was decent. Oh, look at that. That is what I'm talking about. The architecture is actually insane. A wild side. Where's Wally? Where's Wally? Oh, we got Rolex over here, just right in my price point, actually. Right in my price point.
I think it's
A bit below my price point, yeah, a bit below my price point. So we've got all the designer stores here. We've got Dior, Giorgio Armani, Prada, Louis Vuitton, more Prada. So apparently if you spin in this bull, magic bull, it brings good luck. Do you believe in this stuff, or is it a lot of nonsense?
I'll give you 50 quid. If you spin on that for a full minute and don't get off it.
You will give me 50 quid?
I think you would actually.
Oh man, well you can't back out now. So apparently if you go in here, right, we're gonna queue up behind her. Okay, when it says record, you press this button and then it'll record me. So I'm gonna try and get this fake good luck. some social experiment going on right here. We're about to get some good luck out here. Bro, there's a whole... What is going on? Not bad, not bad. 3 times. So we now come to the other side of the... I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm going to call it the fashion district. And now we're checking out some statue. Okay. It's a nice little vibe. Everyone's hanging out. A little break, little breather.
Feeling good, bro.
You look like you could do with another coffee.
Yeah, I want another coffee and spa. Should do the trick.
I haven't lifted in a few days, so I'm starting to feel my arms deflate a little bit, you know what I mean? That's the problem, man. You can't be taking a break even on holiday, which is why we're going to find a gym. Coffee number 2. As you can see, it's... let me know how it tastes. So far, the coffee here has been pretty decent. Let's do a taste test. Not as nice as the first one, but it's all right. We've now made it to the rooftops of the cathedral. Oh wow, this is giving me like Assassin's Creed energy. The detail on this is insane. I wonder if that's real gold. So good. Guys, we took a little mini L. We've just found out this is the queue to leave. And it's about an hour long. It's kind of hot.
Cold coffee.
Yeah, iced coffee will slap right now.
Go back.
And now we have entered the cathedral from the top. And damn, this architecture is insane. Yeah, this architecture is kind of sick, I can't lie. Even from like an outsider's perspective, like obviously I'm not Christian, but I still appreciate the good architecture. It's cool. And it's done.
You want to take your third take?
No, I'm good. Me and Saad basically went on TikTok and looked up what is a good pasta place to come. We've come to this spot here. If you've heard of it, leave a like in the comments.
Everyone else is.
So I am so hungry. A bit overdue. Put it that way. On our way to Spa. Battery sorted, power pack sorted. I'll sort out this car tomorrow as well.
Yes, sir.
It's got to be done.
Gotta do it.
All right, lead the way, lead the way. Yo, we have arrived at the viral spot. Time to relax and de-stress from all the big 4 stress of work. You ready to that de-stress, bro?
I hope. Steps were done today.
Yeah, man. I just hope they have like a gym as well, and it's not just a spa place. But let's see. Let's check it out. Looks dope. Looks dope, guys. The spa was lit. It was sick. Unfortunately, we couldn't record inside because temperatures. How did you find the spa place?
It was good, man.
You recommend it, yeah? We've now come to this Palestinian restaurant. Found some halal meat. Top food. Chips, they were all meh. The burger's really good. How you finding the doner?
It's good, man.
It's good, yeah?
It's a lot.
Finally a bit of protein. This will segue into tomorrow's clip as we look for a car rental. Hopefully the guy that we booked a boat off is a legit and is a legit boat there for us. But yeah, until then, take care. See you tomorrow. It is now day 2 in Milan with a man like Saad. Ooh, not bad. We're heading to a place called Zara, not the store, to pick up what's hopefully going to be a Golf, to drive to Como. So the guy we booked the boat off for Lake Como, he cancelled because he goes there's loads of storms, and we decided that has to be capped because look at the weather around us, as you can see. As a result, it means we're going to have to join some boat tour company that Saad's booked, and he's currently fascinated by the lizards.
Lizards everywhere.
Which means we're not going to get to drive it on boat, which sucks a little bit, but hopefully it's still lit. I don't know. But yeah, let's see. Someone please explain to me this deep Milano heat. Why on earth am I carrying this coat? Let me tell you why. Because the Milan weather forecasters need to be sacked. We got a severe weather warning this morning, and I'm still trying to work out where the severe weather warning is. Because I am now left with this very, very warm coat as we sit on this very colourful bus stop.
So windy.
It's so windy, the rainstorms everywhere.
So much rain.
So much rain.
Oh my god.
I need a coat. So we've come to the car rental place. The guy's having a sandwich and we've discovered something. The place has 1.3 stars. Bro, we might be screwed. How are you feeling about this?
Yeah, it could be a big risk.
Bruh, would they have killed us to check the reviews? Like, what kind of car is he going to give us? That's the real question. The guy's eating a sandwich right now, and he does not look very happy. So,
Let's be optimistic. We could be the one review that gives him 5 stars.
we could be the people that changes his reputation on the Google reviews.
We could be the guys who turn this 1.3 to 1.4.
Oh boy. Saad, update the viewers on what's going on.
We got sent on a side quest.
Yes.
Once we did the deposit and everything. The car wasn't actually over there. We had to go 15 minutes out to locate it. So
And then
found it now.
And
Give us a treasure map as well.
a treasure map, and then once we get here, the guy turns out he was waiting for us down there to pick us up,
Yeah, but we couldn't
take us to
find
the car, but we couldn't find him. But
it. I bet it's BS. Probably not.
God knows. Let's just hope the car. So we asked for a Golf and we got a Puma. So that's already the first kind of
They told us right at the end.
mini L.
Yeah, very.
We paid for coverage and then found out we didn't get coverage.
Very small detail missed out.
A lot of details. There was a. Anyways, our boy's back, so I'm gonna chat to him and see how it goes. We got the keys now as well.
Cool.
Yes. Our guy has given us this car. Saad, first impressions. It'll do the job. So I wasn't sure if I trusted Saad with the driving, but he has called dibs. So I'm gonna see what Saad is like driving on the wrong side of the road. Saad is now driving us to the hotel.
Yep.
Just trying to familiarize himself with the driving. So far, so good though. Can't lie. Not bad so far. Airplane's not working, which is a bit sucks a bit.
challenge has to be the roundabouts.
The roundabouts, yeah, going the opposite. Literally. Oh yeah. And Saad, we have made it to Como. Finally found parking. Now we're trying to find a coffee shop, get some food before we head to the boats. Alright, let's see what's around here. It's very hard to find good food. I feel like we keep getting tourist trapped, so we need to find a more authentic place, you know what I mean? Okay, this is a bit more busier. There might be a spot here somewhere. Dude, what a view.
Because as you can see, it's a really busy morning.
Very busy, yeah.
And the wine is not a good thing to have on board.
Yeah, fair enough.
When you drive a car,
Yeah.
you can't stop your car inside the parking.
Yeah, exactly. There was some weather warning earlier. Is that true?
What, sorry?
Was there like weather warnings earlier?
Windy?
Because one of our boat companies cancelled because of the weather warning.
Sometimes happen. For maybe
Ah.
2 days ago,
Yeah.
there was a lot of rain inside this area. and
I see.
canceled some
We had a
reservation.
different boat
Okay.
booked and they cancelled this morning.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Yeah.
For this wine?
Yeah.
So we are now riding the waves. To say I'm freezing would be an understatement. I am getting absolutely soaked. As you can see, we got man like Saad trying to fill out the
My
legalities.
signature doesn't even look like
Dude, you gotta make it quick.
I'm done.
Oh, dude. Saad, anything to say?
Live in a moment, I guess.
Yes.
Been not gonna remember the money that was shanked. You're gonna remember the boat ride.
That's high thought of the day. High thought of the day. I'll give it to you. Country roads, take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads.
Zohar looking at. He's observing how the rich half lives.
Yeah, there we go. Amazing. We're currently riding the waves. We're doing about 60 kilometers and we're about to stop again.
And this is our driver.
Sorry for that, but
Yeah,
this
go.
hotel on the left side is Villa d'Este, one of the most important in all the world, because in the last 15 years,
Yeah.
Villa d'Este every year is in the top 100 best hotel in the world.
Oh wow.
Yes. And the white building is the first building that was made in the middle of the 18th century in honor of the Queen of Wales,
Oh,
because
dang.
she loved to come here in the holiday.
Oh nice.
And now, if you want to take a suite with a view of the lake inside this hotel, the price is €5,000 a night.
Wow.
Whoa, okay.
5,000.
Okay, so Saad, you can pay for the magnum.
There you go.
Inside of the garden, we can find a little private church, a private deck, and a private mausoleum with the tombs
Oh,
of
nice.
the Jaska family, the ex-owner of this villa. And 1 hour ago, I see the bride arrive inside there with a boat on the deck, because on the other side of the garden there is a deck with a lot of flowers.
I wanted
yeah.
to take a picture of the over there. While driving us.
Drive the main road. We take a picture of it
Yeah.
while we're moving.
Yeah, literally.
Do my best.
Because-
I shall do my best.
Like, spam
Alright.
the 20 pictures.
Alright, I got you. I got you. He wants 20 pictures. I got you.
And we buy this villa for $10 million
$10
from
million.
the Heinz family, the family of the ketchup. And
Oh, the
now
Heinz,
I don't
okay.
want to lie to you saying that George is inside the house, because as you can see all the windows are closed. But for sure was here 1 month ago, because in the Lake of Como there
Oh,
was
wow.
the first electric boat race in the world, and George Clooney invited his friend Brad Pitt, and they look together.
wow.
Yes, they look together at this electric boat race by the private boat of George.
That's so
the
cool.
little boat in white color just in front of the beach.
I see. Well, so that's George Clooney's villa.
Yes.
Nice.
The name is Villa Oleandra.
Villa Oleandra. Nice. Really cool, man. Right, we're here now, right, really fast. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Pretty decent. Take it in. Views of this great lake. It's getting a little bit chilly there. A little bit chilly.
You are really young, and if you have TikTok, this place is really famous on TikTok, because
Yeah,
a
he
lot of
loves
young
TikTok.
guys want to jump from the bridge inside the lake.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
And now the little story that I think that you are interested, because in Como's language, in dialect, we call the village of Nesso the Loch de Ness.
Ah, okay,
It's
Loch
really
Ness.
similar to Loch Ness.
Yeah, that's pretty dope. And that concludes our boat tour. It was pretty decent. Insane views. I think the highlight was seeing George Clooney's mansion, which he copped for 10 million.
I think it's 20.
20 million, oh damn. And now we need to find some food because we're starving. We're not eating today, apart from breakfast. There we are, back at the docking station.